Hi everyone, my name is Mehar Sindhu Batra and I'm back with another video. Today's video is one that I promised you in December, that is that we are going to do goal setting together. So if you're ready to make 2021 your biggest and best year ever, keep watching. I have also prepared 2 worksheets ready for you to use and download. All you need to do is click on the links in the description box and you can use these worksheets to set your own goals for 2021. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about why we need to set goals, like what is the importance of it, and then how should we set goals. So please download the worksheets and do this exercise with me. So first of all, why do we need to set goals? And my friends, that is something I covered in the second book of the book club, and that was all about setting the right and important goals to make sure you have the best year ever. So according to this book that I covered in a live session on my Instagram channel, MSV Vision, so if you don't follow me on there, make sure you do. We need to let go of our limiting beliefs that something is not possible for us before we actually start setting goals. So firstly, my friends, the importance of setting goals can only be understood if we start thinking that anything we want to achieve is possible for us. So if we are thinking of 2021, anything that you want to achieve is possible if you plan well and then work hard towards it. So really truly believe that you are going to have the best year ever. You are going to achieve anything that's possible, and you have to design better goals and systematic goals for yourself in order to do that. We need to set goals to have a long-term vision, to keep ourselves motivated and inspired to keep working towards that ultimate vision. So a goal gives us that long-term vision, and then we set short-term goals in order to achieve that long-term vision. Imagine having a life without any goals, without anything to dream, without anything to work towards, without anything to look forward to. Of course, we need that one goal. Do you remember when you were in school, and if you are in school currently, you have a set structure in place. You have exams, tests, quizzes, competitions very regularly, and that gives your life a structure. But once we are out of school, once we are out of college, we lack that structure. It suddenly goes from our life, and we have to monitor ourselves, we have to monitor our performance in order to keep working towards a better life. Don't settle for what you already have in life, my friends. You need to keep working towards making it better every year. In fact, every month. So now I'm going to talk to you about how you can set your own goals. And here we're going to talk about the first worksheet that is ready for you to download. This is the first exercise I want you to do, my friends. What I have done is I have divided all goals into categories. So the first is emotional. That could be something that you want to work on emotionally, mentally, for your mental health. It could be spending time with your family. It could be doing volunteer work. It could be meditating, practicing gratitude, whatever emotional goals that you want to set for yourself that will make you mentally and emotionally stronger. Then the next is financial goals. Of course, as students or young professionals, we must work towards saving and investing our income. So financial goals will help you do that. No matter how much money you earn, please set a goal to save some amount of money every year. And then there is some professional goals. So if you're trying to establish yourself in the organization that you work at, or you are trying to get a new job, or if you're trying to finish a course, finish a certification, finish a set of exams, to be recognized as a professional and get that qualification, that all comes under professional goals. And the next is physical goals. And this is all about keeping your body healthy. You know, emotional goals are going to be all about your mental health, whereas physical goals is all about your body. We have to take care of our body, whether it's drinking healthy smoothies, exercising every day, going for walks, spending time in nature, or maybe joining a dance class, a fitness class, going to the gym every day. Everything needs to come under physical goals. You know, we as humans are social beings. We need to spend time with people, friends and family around us. So social goals could be something like making new friends or staying in touch with your old friends. Anything to do with the social aspect of human lives needs to come under social goals. And the next is intellectual goals. Here I want you to really think about how you're going to keep stimulating your mind, stimulating your intellect to keep becoming smarter, keep becoming the better version of yourself. So for example, for me in intellectual goals, I plan to complete 3 courses this year. That's only going to stimulate me intellectually. It will keep my mind sharp. It will keep me in the rhythm of wanting to learn and absorb more information. So whether it's learning a new language, or it's learning programming, or it's learning how to edit videos, anything that you like that will stimulate you intellectually. It doesn't have to be related to your profession, but it could be anything that you want to have that growth mindset to constantly keep learning and growing as a human being. So after you do this exercise, my friends, I want you to download the second worksheet, which is going to be all about that one goal, that one most important goal that matters the most to you this year. There are always going to be many things to achieve, my friends, but I really want you to think deep and hard and think about what is that one thing that you need to achieve in order to make 2021 your best year ever. So think of that one big goal and then divide it up into mini goals of 3 months and 9 months. What do you want to achieve in the first quarter, and what do you want to achieve after another 6 months? So that you're able to achieve that one big goal. So think through, what is it that will make 2021 my best year ever? What is it that I need to do to live my dream life? That is the one thing that's most important. So for example, for me, I want to connect with 250,000 students and young professionals this year. How am I going to do that? I need to do more workshops. I need to do more collaborations. I need to keep creating good quality content. I need to do more mentorship sessions. I need to connect with students on a one-on-one basis through emails and messages on Instagram. Anything that I can do to impact 250,000 people, that is my main goal. And then we need to think about what are the challenges we will face to achieve that goal. And this needs to be thought about, because if we know what are going to be our challenges, we need to find a way to work around them. And that's going to happen through setting powerful daily habits to overcome your challenges. So here I want you to really think deep of what could be the challenges that you'll face on a daily basis or on a monthly basis to achieve those mini goals. So for example, for me, one of the biggest hindrances could be lack of time, because I do have a full-time job. And for me to be able to connect with 250,000 of you, I need to make time. So that is going to be my number one challenge. And how am I going to overcome that challenge? Through a habit of batch preparing my content. I need to get dressed one single day and prepare all types of content one day. So for example, Saturdays could be content creation. Sundays could be connecting with students. Monday evenings could be team meetings. So think about the biggest challenges and think about the habits you need to inculcate to overcome those challenges. And my friends, what you do on a single day, on a daily basis, really determines how you are going to run the year, and it helps you ingrain it into your system to enable yourself to achieve success. So my friends, I really hope this video was useful and it has motivated you to make this your breakthrough year, the biggest year for you. Please let me know, what are your goals for this year? Put it out in the universe. What is it that you are trying to achieve? Let's all send each other positive vibes and lift each other up as a community. I'm always here if you need any sort of help from me. Please do get in touch on Instagram or on my email address as stated below. I'll be back soon with part 3 of this series, which is going to be all about creating a vision board to create a dream life for yourself, the life that you truly want to live, my friends. That's how the law of attraction works. But until then, figure out your goals for this year, work hard towards them, reflect on a monthly basis, and stay motivated. I hope to see you soon. Bye.